Hello, my dear student. In this question, it is mentioned consider the following table T1 and T2. There are two table, my dear student. Following table T1 and T2, where in a T1, P is the primary key, P is the primary key, and Q is the foreign key referencing R. Q is the foreign key referencing R, my dear, in table T2 with on delete cascade, and on update cascade. Okay. In table T2, R is the primary key. In table T2, R is the primary key and S is the foreign key referencing P. S is the foreign key referencing to P, my dear. S is the foreign key referencing to P in a table T1 with on delete set null and on update cascade. On delete set null and on update cascade. In order to delete a record 3,8 from table T1, 3,8 from table T1, then the number of additional record need to be deleted from table T1 is. So first of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of on delete cascade. My on delete cascade means what, my dear student? On delete cascade means whenever primary key is deleted from reference. And what is the meaning of reference relation? Which contain the primary key. So yeah, which is referenced by the foreign key. So whenever primary key is deleted from the referenced, yeah, you can say parent table, then that related value, then that that related value, yeah, tuple or row. What I am saying, whenever primary key is deleted from the reference relation, then the related value means what? Wo primary key. Related value means what? That related value means what? Primary key. That primary key. That primary key value. Then the related value from referencing or child table has to be deleted. Clear, बच्चा? What I am saying, what is the meaning of on delete set null? या फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑन डिलीट कैस्केड का क्या मतलब होता है? ऑन डिलीट कैस्केड का मतलब ये होता है कि जब भी प्राइमरी की अपन डिलीट कर देंगे, whenever primary key is deleted, then the corresponding tuple in the referencing relation, corresponding tuple, या then you can say that primary key from the referencing relation has to be deleted. Referencing relation means what? Child table, या you can say which contain primary key or which contain foreign key, sorry, not primary key, which contain foreign key, which contain foreign key, my dear, which contain foreign key has to be deleted. Clear? And second one is what? On delete set null. On delete set null. What is the meaning of on delete set null? Whenever primary key is deleted from referenced or parent table, then corresponding tuple, corresponding value, you can say, yeah, that value you can say, very easy, then that related value related value means that primary key, that related value, yeah, you can say tuple या row in referencing, yeah, you can say child table. Child table means what? Contain foreign key. My dear student, hope so you are getting what I am saying. I am saying, my dear student, on delete set null means what? Whenever primary key is deleted from the reference relation, means parent table या master table, then the related value या tuple या row in the referencing table या child table is set to null. Set to null, my dear, is set to null. So here it is mentioned 2-3 points. First of all, it is mentioned कि T1 having on delete cascade and on update cascade. T1 having on delete cascade, T1 having on delete cascade and on update cascade, and T2 having what? Table T2 having, here R is the primary key and S is the foreign key, referencing to a P in a table T1 on delete set null on update cascade. On delete set null, you can say this is what? Here it is reference to the P, it is reference to the P on delete set null and on update cascade. On update cascade. Clear? Now it is little bit logical. Please try to understand. And here you can say T2 what? On delete set null on update cascade. On update. Now please try to understand. There is a one logic. यहाँ एक थोड़ा सा की पॉइंट है, वो आप इसको समझिएगा. क्या कह रहा है कि जो T1 टेबल है, T1 टेबल है, T1 में क्या है? Q is the foreign key referencing to the R. Q is the foreign key referencing to R. Q is foreign key referencing to R, my dear. Clear, बच्चा? And S is the foreign key referencing to P in table T1. Clear? Now, what is saying? If we delete 3,8 from table T1, yes, now what you do? You delete 3,8 from table T1. 3,8 from table T1. Okay, 3,8 from table T1. Now what is happening, my dear? क्या हो रहा है यहाँ? प्राइमरी की, देखिए बच्चा, प्लीज इसको इंटरप्रेट करने का तरीका समझिएगा. कई बच्चे सोचते हैं कि T1 में डिलीट हो रहा है तो ऑन डिलीट कैस्केड लग जाएगा. नो बच्चा, ये किस पे लगता है कंस्टेंट? फॉरेन की पे. कि अगर T1 की फॉरेन की के साथ ऐसा कुछ हो रहा हो तो हियर यू कैन सी. और कब? जब प्राइमरी की डिलीट होती है तो ये काम करता है. तो इधर देखो 3,8 डिलीट हो रहा है, 3,8 डिलीट हो रहा है. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर, माय डियर स्टूडेंट? S is the foreign key. S is the foreign key, my dear student. S is the foreign key. तो S के लिए parent table कौन सी हो गई? For S, what is the reference relation? Reference relation is T1. For S, for foreign key S, reference relation is T1 because S is the foreign key referencing to the primary key P in T1. It is mentioned, beta. S is the foreign key. You can see S is the foreign key referencing to the primary key P in table T1. Or you know one point, by default primary key, if it is not mentioned, by default primary key, by default foreign key, my dear. By default foreign key reference to the primary key. By default foreign key reference to the primary key of referenced relation, of referenced relation. It is mentioned also कि it is mentioning this tuple and which contain the foreign key, which contain the table which contain the foreign key is known as referencing relation, and which is referenced by foreign key, it is called as referenced relation, और which contain foreign key it is known as referencing. जो टेबल फॉरेन की रखता है वो रेफरेंसिंग है, ठीक है। अब इधर देखिए बच्चों, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ क्या कह रहा है कि प्राइमरी की 3 डिलीट हो रही है, प्राइमरी की 3 डिलीट हो रही है, तो व्हाट इज हैपन व्हेनेवर प्राइमरी की फॉर दैट रेफरेंस रिलेशन क्या हो गया इसके लिए T1, तो T1 में जब भी प्राइमरी की डिलीट की जाएगी, व्हेनेवर प्राइमरी की इज डिलीटेड फ्रॉम दी रेफरेंस रिलेशन, देन रिलेटेड टपल या वैल्यू इन रेफरेंसिंग रिलेशन इज सेट टू नल। सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग माय डियर, यहां आपका क्या आ जाएगा, नल आ जाएगा। अब आपका क्वेश्चन आता है कि सर अगर मैं T2 में कुछ डिलीट करता, T2 में कोई डिलीट करता, लेट सपोज 8,3 डिलीट कर देते अपन, जो अपन ने यहाँ 3,8 डिलीट किया है उसकी जगह 8,3 डिलीट कर देते तो क्या होता। तो इधर देखो क्यू टेबल के लिए रेफरेंस रिलेशन कौन सा हुआ, T2 हुआ। आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, Q इज द फॉरेन की, Q इज द फॉरेन की रेफरेंस टू R। क्लियर बच्चा। तो यहां फॉरेन की कौन सी डिलीट हो रही है, 8, तो व्हाट वी हैव टू टेक एक्शन ऑन डिलीट कैस्केड। तो व्हाट वी डू, जहां जहां 8 आ रहा है वो सारे टपल डिलीट कर दिए जाएंगे। लेकिन यहां क्या हो रहा है, 3,8 डिलीट हो रहा है, तो प्राइमरी की 3 डिलीट हो रही है। तो एस के लिए, यानी एस के लिए रेफरेंस रिलेशन कौन सा है, T1, तो रेफरेंस यानी पेरेंट टेबल, तो पेरेंट टेबल में जब 3 प्राइमरी की डिलीट हुई तो क्या एक्शन लेना है इस पे, फॉरेन की पे क्या एक्शन है, जब आप डिलीट कर रहे हो, बिकॉज डिलीट बोल रहा है, अपडेट नहीं बोल रहा, तो अपन अपडेट की बात भी नहीं कर रहे, तो जब भी आप डिलीट करोगे तो व्हाट वी डू इन ए फॉरेन की वी सेट नल। so here instead of performing any action we will do set null, so what happen, zero tuple, zero additional tuple will be deleted, so additional tuple deleted। It is asking, my dear student, it is asking then the additional record that could be deleted from the tuple T1 is 0, my dear, 0 is the additional tuple, so here you can say answer will be 0। Hope so this is a very good question, hope so you get it, thank you everyone।